Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to give you a very high-level overview of how email marketing works. We're going to cover the main building blocks of an email marketing strategy and the benefits of doing email marketing. We're going to start with the benefits, kind of why you should even think about putting the time and effort into email marketing in the first place. Number one, email marketing is easy to start. And a lot of people are going to disagree with me here, but I believe that while email is difficult and complex and deep in the long term, it's actually pretty easy to get started with. You just have to know the exact things that you need to do. Think of it as the 80-20 principle. There's just 20% of the most fundamental things that if you do them, you're going to get about 80% of the results. Number two, email marketing has a whopping ROI of 40-1, and ROI stands for return on investment. In other words, this means that for every dollar that you spend on email marketing, like paying for your Omnisend plan, you're going to make roughly $40 back on average. For perspective, the average ROI for paid ads is roughly 2-1. And finally, for an average e-commerce store that already has some traffic and sales coming in, email marketing makes up roughly 20-30% of their e-commerce revenue. So if you're still not doing email marketing, think of all of the extra revenue that you could generate if you start today. All right, now that we know of the benefits of doing email marketing, let's talk about the main building blocks of a good email marketing strategy. And to help us understand the importance of each piece, we're going to imagine a very simple and basic conversion funnel. So in the first step of the funnel, we have our e-commerce visitors, who we want to first turn into signups or subscribers. Then those subscribers we want to turn into first-time buyers. And finally, the last step of the funnel is to turn those first-time buyers into repeat purchasers or loyal fans. And the best thing about email marketing and Omnisend is that it can help you on every step of that funnel. So to turn that visitor into sign up, we're going to need to set up a sign up form, a very simple pop-up or landing page asking people to leave their email address. The reason we want to do that is because a sign-up is 3 times more likely to convert than a non-subscriber. And turning that sign-up into a first-time buyer is mostly where your automations are going to kick in. In particular, the welcome automation and the abandoned cart, which are the 2 most effective automations. And then finally, you're going to send them weekly or monthly newsletter campaigns, which are going to help keep your brand top of mind and increase the chances that they're going to come back and buy again. So those are the 3 main building blocks of a good email marketing strategy. But what's really important to understand here is that email marketing is a really long game, and those 3 elements constantly work together to keep people coming back and buying from you. Not everyone is going to buy from your welcome automation. Not everyone is going to buy from your 3rd, 4th, or 5th email campaign. But sometimes, if they don't buy from that campaign, they're going to get the abandoned cart automation and buy from that. On the other hand, if they don't buy from that welcome automation, they might end up buying 6 or 12 months down the road if you keep sending them an email campaign every month. So as I said before, email marketing is a very long game and you have to be patient and consistent. All right, and one last thing for this video, really quickly, because a lot of people ask about this, how to get good deliverability, how to never go to spam, how to always be in the primary inbox folder. Very simple. Number 1, send actual good, high-quality content. Every time before you send out an email campaign, look at it and think to yourself, would I be happy and excited to receive this? Would I actually read this whole thing, or would I close this? And only then send the campaign or continue improving on it. And number 2, never, ever, ever buy or rent a contact list. You're never going to make a dime off of it. You're much better off collecting your own high-quality signups using sign-up forms, and then you're going to make a lot of money with them, and you're not going to run into any deliverability problems. And that's it for this video. We covered a lot. Hopefully you were able to take something away from it, and I'll see you in the next one.